In the Northern Virginia, Washington, D.C. market, there are many title companies that can get you to closing. But that's the job you hired them to do. What does your title company relationship look like when you don't have any business together? That is where Pruitt Title begins to differ from many others in our market. Here are the top 5 reasons to partner with Pruitt Title. Number 1, we invest directly into our clients with the best marketing solutions possible. This is data mining tools to help you target market for sellers and renters where you do business. What would 1 or 2 additional listing opportunities look like for you each month? Number 2, not 1, but 2 real estate attorneys on staff to answer your questions and draft up documents, review legal information, and be at the closing table, guiding your buyers and sellers every step of the way. Number 3, we work like you do. As a busy realtor and lender, there isn't a lot of downtime. Being available all the time in many instances comes with the job. The same applies to us. At Pruitt Title, we strictly have organic relationships with our clients. We're available to answer your questions or provide marketing solutions if we're out of town, in town, day or night. Number 4, video help. It's no secret that video, whether on YouTube or social media, has changed how we send out value messages that live 24/7. As a title company that recognizes video as a valuable tool for any realtor, our business development team is here to help you get your video content off the ground. Reach out so we can start helping you. And number 5, a very experienced escrow and closing team. Marketing is great, but when you send a transaction to Pruitt Title, we have an amazing team that is super responsive, knowledgeable, and all working for the same goal, making you the rock star of the real estate transaction. Your client's happiness means more referrals for you. I'm Vander Molen at Pruitt Title, and I welcome you to give us an opportunity on your next transaction. I also welcome you to sit down with our business development team so we can learn how we can best support your real estate business going forward. Feel free to check out my website, dctitleguy.com, and follow me on Instagram at dctitleguy, and we look forward to seeing you at the closing table.